How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. I have a little product review. This is gonna be for LEDKINGDOMUS Rooftop Cargo Bag. It's gonna be waterproof, plus you're gonna have around 19 cubic feet of space. You can put it on a truck, on pickup truck, on the back. You can put it on top of your car, SUV, and it's got enough straps to put it on the back of a truck, or it has the ones that they have the rails, the open rails on top of the SUVs. They're gonna be better on those because with the car, with those little latches that you see right now, it's gonna be a little bit difficult because you might scratch your glass, and I don't feel like it's secure. That's why I'm putting my basket on the Accord. That's the net to put it on top of your roof so you avoid scratches, and that's the bag itself. On those instructions, I'm gonna tell you everything about how to strap the bag, included, like I said, back of the trucks. But like I said before, in this case, I'm gonna put it on top of my Accord, and that's why I have the basket already in it. And let's fill it up, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put it on and strap this bag to your roof on any vehicle. When you have your bag loaded, make sure that you close the Velcro. It has Velcro all the way around to keep it watertight. So no water, snow, dirt is gonna get inside your bag. Recommendation is to fill out this bag in the floor if you have an SUV or larger vehicle, because it's gonna be really hard for you to fill it up on top of your car or truck. But that's the end result. Really easy to strap. You can put a lot of stuff in it, and it's waterproof, what is important. So I hope you like this little episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.